The flowers of the desert turn red with heat, but none burns like me. None burns like me. Hey everyone, today is not just a Minecraft video but something deeper. Today I'll tell you about one of my favorite poems by Lama Muhammad Iqbal called Lala Sera, the Desert Tulip. Let's begin. ये गुम्बद मीनाई ये आलम तन्हाई मुझको तो डराती है इस दश्त की पन्हाई द क्रिस्टल डोम दिस वर्ल्ड ऑफ सॉलिट्यूड द वास्टनेस ऑफ दिस डेजर्ट fills me with dread. Iqbal is standing alone in the middle of an endless desert under the silent sky. It's beautiful but terrifying. This is how it feels when your soul wakes up. भटका हुआ राही मैं भटका हुआ राही तू मंजिल है कहाँ तेरी ए लाला से राई आई एम अ लॉस्ट ट्रेवलर and so are you. Where is your destination, or desert flower? Iqbal speaks to the flower, but he is really talking to himself and maybe us. We all are wondering, what are we chasing? What is our purpose? भटका हुआ राही मैं भटका हुआ राही तू मंजिल है कहाँ तेरी ए लाला से राई आई एम अ लॉस्ट ट्रेवलर and so are you. Where is your destination, or desert flower? Iqbal speaks to the flower, but he is really talking to himself and maybe us. We all are wondering, what are we chasing? What is our purpose? खाली है कलीमों से ये कहो कमर वरना तू शोला सीनाई मैं शोला सीनाई The mountains are empty of Moses like souls, otherwise you are seen as flame, and so am I. Iqbal says you and I are like the divine fire from Mount Sinai, but the world has no Moses left, no one to see the flame. तू शाख से क्यों टूटा मैं शाख से क्यों टूटा एक जज्बा फिदाई एक लज्जत यकताई Why did you sprout from the branch? Why did I fell from it? You, born to bloom, I, born to be alone. Here he wonders, why are we separated? Why are we different? He is expressing the pain of loneliness, but also the beauty of being unique. इस मौज के मातम में रोती है भंवर की आँख दरिया से उठी मगर साहिल से न टकराई In mourning for these waves, the wailful weeps. It rose from the river but never reached the shore. A soul full of potential rises but never fulfills its purpose. This is a tragedy, wasted power, unrealized destiny. है गर्मी आदम से हंगामा आलम गरम सूरज भी तमाशाई तारे भी तमाशाई It is the heat of man that stirs the world's commotion. The sun watches and so do the stars. Iqbal says it is human passion, struggle and fire that fuels the universe. Even the sun and stars stand in awe of a human burning soul. इबादे बेअबानी मुझको भी अनायत हो खामोशी और दिलसोजी सरमस्ती और अनाई O wilderness mind, grant me as well silence with passion, equity with grace. In the final lines, Iqbal prays for the qualities of the desert wind, calm but intense, wild but beautiful. He wants to be like that, silent, deep, and alive. That was Lala Sera, not just a poem but a message. Iqbal is not just talking to a flower in the desert, but he's talking to anyone who feels alone, who burns with question, who knows there's something more, and maybe that someone is you. It was nice to tell you about my favorite poem, and today I'll leave you with one of my favorite Farsi poem by Maulana Jalaluddin Muhammad al-Balkhi, otherwise known as Rumi. Darin khak, darin khak, darin masar ayr pak, bejuz mer, bejuz ish, daghirta nakarem. In this earth, in this earth, in this beautiful garden, let us sow nothing but seed of kindness and love.